Strapping Demo. In this video, we will show you the correct way to use the X-Pak strapping in just a few simple steps. Position your strapping kit at least 1 meter from the product you are hoping to strap, and dispense sufficient strapping to secure your pack. Feed the strap under the pack. Use the strapping lance to make this quick and easy. Fold the strapping back on itself, creating a tag of around 15 centimeters, and squeeze the loop together. Ensure the buckle prongs are on top and always facing to the right. Feed the strap through the center of the buckle, hold the edges of the strap, and twist onto the prong. Bring the other side of the strap around, ensuring there is minimal slack, and feed through the buckle in the same manner. Position the buckle away from yourself, hold firm on the bottom strap, and pull the top strap to remove any slack. Squeeze down on the tensioner. Slide the bottom strap under the gripper foot and ensure your tensioner is at least 200 millimeters away from the buckle. Feed the top strap through your cutter and tension wheel. Tension until the buckle prongs pull down onto the base of the buckle, or your desired tension is reached. Once tensioned, squeeze and hold down handle to release.